The semicircle follows the short spine, so we hold the handles in the hands, lift the loops off of the feet, and then pull the handles to the end. If this exercise had come earlier in the workout in a more basic level, we might be doing the coordination here, but we're moving on in advance to semicircle. So the headpiece comes up, we slide out, trying not to move the carriage, and then hips are up over the heels. We curl the pelvis towards the ceiling to roll down into the spring, stretching the upper back. Press the carriage out only halfway, and then curl the hips up to the ceiling again, pulling the carriage back in from the powerhouse. Again, curl the pelvis to stretch the thighs, roll down into the springs to stretch the upper back. Arms are pressing into the shoulder blocks in opposition. Lift the pelvis high and draw the carriage in. It's very important that, especially on a longer reformer, that the carriage doesn't go out past halfway. That's just riding the spring all the way out, and instead we want to be controlling it. So now to reverse, we press out, we roll all the way down into the springs, opening the upper back, and then bring the hips over the feet to stretch the thighs. Curling the pelvis stretches the thighs. So we roll down into the springs, releasing the pelvis, and then curl the pelvis, rotating the bottom of the pelvis towards the face. One more time, rolling down into the springs, releasing the pelvis and the sit bones, and then as we roll up, we rotate the bottom of the pelvis towards the face, and this creates the stretch and the extension in the front of the hip. We can bring the arms to the feet and stretch, getting a little extra stretch, and then pull the body back on to the carriage.